We have a nice day in New York. Somewhat. Except I can't find that bird. There you go, Andrea. If the wind chimes would shut up, I'm trying to let you hear the birds. Darn it. Please, Mother Nature, can you please stop blowing for just a moment? We would like to hear the birds. Me and a million possible people on Facebook. Hello. All of you dumbass birds. See, they're all chirping because they know. No, shh. Be quiet. It's so peaceful, I think I almost just fell asleep standing up. And why is the neighbor's motion sensor light on? That's kind of stupid. Yes. Look at those pretty clouds. Across the mountain on the other side of the whole world to me. There's the neighbor's roof. It's not a funky looking roof, it's just a normal looking roof. Here's the mess that I'm cleaning, that we're going to have a garden. You see it? Oh, there's a cat. Look at the railing. This is our project for summer. The railing, the garden, and the trench, or the ditch if I decide to kill somebody, who knows.